Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with different questions based upon blood relations and reading comprehensions questions. So let's begin. Pointing towards a girl. So a girl is here. Okay, we are pointing at the girl here. Okay, pointing to this girl. A man said to a woman. So he is saying to a woman, her mother. So this girl's mother is the only daughter. This girl's mother is the only daughter. This mother is the only daughter of your mother here. Okay, this man is pointing to this girl and telling one more woman here. Okay, so this man is pointing to this girl and telling that woman that this girl's mother is the only daughter of your mother here. Okay, see, only daughter and women will be overlapping here. Okay, hence to this mother only this man is pointing and telling that about this girl here. Okay, about this girl. So how is the girl related to that woman? So girl is the daughter here. Okay, option B is the right answer here. Okay, simply they have made the statements confusing, my dear friends. Okay, so you need to break down and then you need to solve it. Option B is the right answer. So moving on to the next question. So the question reads, pointing to an old woman, Aryan said. So Aryan is saying something here. Okay, Aryan means I shall assume it as male here. Okay, so Aryan is saying something. So pointing to an old woman, her son is my son's uncle. Her son is my son's uncle here. Okay, so Aryan is married to someone here. Okay, so Aryan's wife is there here. Okay, and he is also involving his son here. Okay, son is there and female is there here. Okay, so pointing to an old woman, Aryan said, old woman's son. Her son means old woman's son here. Okay, so she'll be married here. Okay, so I shall consider this as old woman here. Okay, old woman's son is there here. So old woman's son is my son's uncle here. Okay, my son means Aryan's son is there. So Aryan's son's uncle means actually Aryan and this brother will be brother here. Okay, brother, Aryan and his brother. So Aryan's son will be uncle to Aryan's brother here. Okay, uncle to Aryan's brother here. Okay, so how is old woman related to Aryan here? Okay, so old woman's son is brother to Aryan means actually old woman is also to the mother of Aryan here. Okay, so how is Aryan related to old woman? Actually, how is Aryan related to old woman? He is son. Okay, so option C is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. So read the following information carefully and answer the questions below. In a family of 6 persons, L, M, N, F, P, Q, there are 2 married couples here. F is the grandmother of L, so I shall write here, see here. Okay, L, M, N, F, P, Q here. Okay, so I shall change the ink here. Okay, so F is the grandmother of L. F is the grandmother means F is female here and she is married to some male here. Okay, so first generation over, and in second generation she'll be having son or daughter here, and she will be married to another man here or woman, and her daughter will be F is the grandmother of L here. Okay, so L I'll be writing here. F is the grandmother, this I got here, and F is the grandmother of L. F is grandmother of L and mother of M, so M will be here, and F is mother of M here. Okay, these two conditions I have got here. Okay, N is wife of M here. Okay, N is wife of M means N will be there and M will be male here. Okay, so N is female and mother of Q here. Okay, mother of Q means so L will be having one more brother or sister here, and that is Q here, mother of Q. Okay, Q is the granddaughter, so Q is the granddaughter means negative sign. Granddaughter of P here, granddaughter of P means P will be here and P will be positive here. Okay, granddaughter means first generation and second generation. Okay, so this is the family tree I have got here. Okay, so who among the following is one of the couples N and F? No, this is wrong here. F and P. Oh, F and P is right here, and P and M. No, this is wrong here. None of this is also wrong here. Options P is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Read the following information carefully and answer the question here. A family consists of 6 members, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Q is the son of R here. Okay, so Q I'll be writing here, and he is the son of R here. Okay, so R will be either here, and these two will be married here. Okay, so R in the I'll be writing here, but R is not the mother of Q here. R is not the mother of Q means obviously he'll be male here. Okay, so R will be male here. P and R are married couples, so P is female here. Okay, Y is the brother of R here. Okay, so Y is the brother of R here, so Y I'll be writing here, and brother of R means actually positive sign here. Okay, means male here. X is the daughter of P here. Okay, so P, X is the daughter of P means actually Q is having a sibling here. Okay, and that is X here. Okay, so X is the daughter means actually X is female here, and this will be round up here. Okay, Z is the brother of P here. Okay, so Z is the brother of P means actually this Z will be plus here. Okay, Z is the brother of P. This is the family tree I got here. So once again I will be writing here, Z will be P here, so this is male here, and Z will be the brother of P, and P is negative symbol here, she is female, and this is married to R male here. Okay, and R's brother is Y here. Okay, plus here, so and they will be having Q a male daughter, and Q sibling is X, and she is female here. So this is the condition here, this is the family tree, you need to make a note of it. Okay, so who is the brother-in-law of R here? Okay, brother-in-law of R means actually R is there, R's wife is there, R's brother will be Z here. Okay, so option B is the right answer here. Okay, so next question is, how many female members are there in family? So there are 2 female members here, who X is a female and P is a female here. Okay, rest all are male here. So how is Q related to X here? So Q is related to X means actually they are siblings here. Okay, so siblings, if at all you mark this option, it will be wrong, my dear friends. Okay, how is Q related to X? So Q is related to X means actually Q is the brother of X. This is the most probable option, so hence you need to mark brother here. Okay, option B is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question, how is Y related to P? Y is actually brother-in-law of P here. Okay, brother-in-law of P, option B is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question, Ashwini is Kiran's sister here. So Ashwini is, I'll be writing as Ashwini here, Ashwini is Kiran's sister here. Okay, so Kiran I'll be writing it as here, I don't know either it is male or female here. Okay, so Ashwini is Kiran's sister. Komal is Kiran's mother here, so mother will be Komal here, Komal will be, and Deepen is Komal's father here, Deepen is Komal's father, Deepen. Okay, plus mark here. Isha is Deepen's mother here. Okay, so this is again going to be a big here, so I'll rewrite the tree here. See here friends, actually okay, so Deepen I got here, Deepen he'll be male here, and Komal I got here, Komal she is female, and Komal to Kiran, and Kiran's sibling is Ashwini here. Okay, Ashwini and negative I got here, so Kiran plus or minus, and see here Komal is Kiran's mother, Komal is Kiran's mother means Komal negative I got here. Deepen is Komal's father, So this is I got here. Isha is Deepan's mother. Isha, negative sign here. Then how is Ashwini related to Deepan here? So Ashwini is related to Deepan means Deepan's daughter's sibling, daughter's daughter here. Okay, so granddaughter will be the option here. Okay, hence option D is the right answer here. Okay, moving on to the next question. So this is the passage here. A species that exerts an influence out of proportion to its abundance in an ecosystem is called a keystone species. The keystone species may influence both the species richness of the communities and flow of energy and materials through ecosystems. The sea star Pisaster, the flow of energy and materials through ecosystem. The sea star Pisaster orcaceus, which lives in the rocky intertidal ecosystem of the Pacific coast of the North America, is also an example of a keystone species. So Pisaster orcaceus, okay, keystone species. It is preferred prey is the mussel Mytilus californianus. In the absence of sea stars, these mussels crowd out the other competitors in a broad belt of the intertidal zone. By consuming mussels, sea star creates bare species that are taken over by a variety of other species. A study at the University of Washington demonstrated the influence of Pisaster on species richness by removing a sea stars from selected parts of the intertidal zone repeatedly over a period of 5 years. Two major changes occurred in the areas from which sea stars were removed. First, the lower edge of the 46 mussel bed extended farther down into intertidal zone, showing that sea stars are able to eliminate mussels completely where they are covered with water most of the time. Second is, and more dramatically, 28 species of animals and algae disappeared from the sea star removal zone. Eventually, only Mytilus, the dominant competitor, occupied the entire substratum. Through its effects on competitive relationships, predation by Pisaster largely determines which species live in these rocky intertidal ecosystem. Okay, so this is the passage here. So what is the crux of the passage here? Sea star has a preferred prey? No. A preferred prey determines the survival of the actually this is on keystone species and so species diversity. Okay, species diversity, this is the crux of the passage here. So option C is the right answer. Sea star is the only keystone species in the Pacific coast? No. Only species, actually extreme statement, I have told you many a times in the previous videos, my dear friends, extreme statement will be most of the times wrong, but actually you need to examine it very cautiously here. Okay, so now moving on to the next question. With reference to the passage, consider the following statements here. Mussels are generally dominant species in the intertidal ecosystems here. Okay, so this is correct here. The survival of sea stars is generally determined by the abundance of mussels here. Okay, no, this is wrong here. Okay, are correct here. So option A, one only, is the right answer, my dear friends. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Which of the following is are implied by the passage here? Okay, mussels are always hard competitors? No, are always here. So wrong here. Sea stars of the Pacific coast have reached the climax? No, climax. No, this is also wrong here. Sea stars constitute an important component of the energy flow in the intertidal ecosystem. So this is correct here. So option D, only 3 only, is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Consider the following assumptions here. Okay, so assumptions, you need to take care of this here. Okay, so the food chains or food web is an ecosystem are influenced by the keystone. Yes, this is right here. Okay, are influenced by keystone species. So this is right. The presence of keystone species is a specific characteristics of, no, is here, specific characteristics of aquatic ecosystems. No, this is wrong here. If a keystone species is completely removed from the ecosystem, it will lead to collapse of the ecosystem. No, this actually is not the collapse of the ecosystem itself. One species will be in abundance here. So option 3 is also wrong. So 3 is there. So wrong here. Option A, one only, is the right answer, my dear friends. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you guys. Hope you find this video informative. All the best for your preparation. I shall catch up in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to our Akka IAS Academy channel.